Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely T-ROC Cabriolet R-Line with company cut for sale, finished in the gorgeous Ravenna blue metallic paint. It features the 1.5 TSI petrol engine producing 150 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. You'll have peace of mind motoring of this vehicle as well with the remainder of the 3-year manufacturer warranty. And starting off at the front of the vehicle, you've got those LED performance headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions, as well as these lovely 17-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding heated wing mirrors. There's a generous amount of boot space available, and you've also got that optionally fitted wind deflector. You can fold down those rear seats as well just by pulling on the levers on each side. Inside you got the signature R-Line upholstery with the park cloth, leather and Alcantara seats. There's also a couple of USB ports in the back for rear passengers. At the front you've got that leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel and also a centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. Just behind the wheel is a full digital display on offer, housing all your vital driving information. You've also got that heated steering wheel. And alongside digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, you'll also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You've also got some of the latest safety systems on board to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, including front assist and much more. To help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings. You've also got multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. Moving a little bit further down the cabin is dual zone climate control on offer. You've also got heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. You've also got a little bit of storage below with a couple more USB ports so you can charge multiple devices. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.